This brand is made in China for sale on Amazon, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands that are available. The KT0415 mini tank units feature stainless steel liners for the tanks for corrosion resistance. The units have basic electromechanical controls and they have an appliance cord for easier installation as they can be plugged into a standard electrical outlet. The units have a 2.5-gallon capacity and can be wall or floor mounted using the included mounting bracket. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.